Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to paint an eye using watercolors, and these are some samples which I painted before. So without any wasting of time, let's get started. I'm going to use 300 GSM watercolor paper from Brusto brand, and again I'm going to use this watercolor tubes from Brusto brand. And for the brushes I will be using this miniature brushes from Brusto brand, and I will provide the link of all these materials in my description. You can get it from Amazon. So I'm going to lightly draw the basic shapes of the eye using pencil. So starting with the little circle, then draw two curved lines for eyelids. Then draw tear duct and waterline. Erase the guidelines. So let's paint this eye using watercolor. So these are the colors which I will be using, and these two brushes. So I'm going to define the shape of the eyes, and I'm using the lighter mixture of white and orange color. So now I'm just defining upper lid, lower lid, brow bone, waterline, tear duct using a light red color. Now I will fill iris with light brown color. outlining the iris with little darker color of brown. And then paint pupil with black color, and I'm going to outline people using wet brush for adding shadow. So I'm going to add some highlights using titanium white color. You can add it, tear duct, waterline. Now I'm going to add eyelashes using black color and switching to smaller zero size brush. This is how it is looking from closer. So now let's add eyebrows, and I am defining eyebrows using same lighter shade of orange and white. So add eyebrow lines using black color, and I would suggest you to use zero size brush. And if you made it so far, so thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified, and also post your comments and suggestions in the comment box below. I would suggest you to copy the exactly same steps. You will learn a lot by figuring it out on your own and experimenting. And these are some samples which I painted using same methods. And once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.